Okay, I bring you back with another YouTube video on easy, quick Zippo tricks. This is a real Zippo, so it's not no fake lighter. So what you do is you get your back of the lighter where the hinge is, like it opens like that. You take your 2 fingers up top, like this, and like that, and then like that. And then you light it. So, and it's really fun to do, and then here's the other one.
Magic.
Magical!
Alright, give me that though.
Alright, so, like that, and then, fail.
Fail.
It's because it's like that. There we go. Alright, later.